Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Infinix phone battery setting. And today video title guys, how to enable ultra battery saver mode on Infinix mobile. Friends, we want to enable Infinix mobile ultra battery saver mode. So how to enable and use ultra battery saver mode on Infinix mobile, in this video friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, open your Infinix mobile setting. After on phone setting, friends, you can see this type interface on your device. So friends, on your Infinix mobile, friends, click here power setting. After on power setting, friends, you want to on your power boost setting. So friends, right side click and you can on. Friends, we will enable ultra power saving mode setting. So click here, friends, you can see enable notification. Friends, click here right side and guess ultra power saving mode will enable on your device. And friends, you want to on location, you want to off location, so you can on and off from here. Friends, only two apps you can use: phone calls and calendar app. And when this app, friends, you can see we cannot use guys any app on our device. And friends, if you on your screen, as you can see, your screen will show this type interface. So friends, only phone calls you can use it. And friends, you can check only calendar. And friends, you cannot close any app also. And friends, you don't want to use, you want to disable, friends, click here quiet option. Are you sure? Yes. And friends, your ultra power saving mode will disable automatic on your device. Again you want to use, so friends, click here and you can enable and you can use. So like that friends, we can use phone battery setting, we can enable and disable ultra power saving mode setting. And friends, if you click advanced setting, friends, you can see battery saver mode setting. You want to own battery saver, you can own battery saver, you can off battery saver from here. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.